Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. I've got a different video for you guys today. I thought I would show you how I use my planners with video bits of my daily life. So grab a cup of coffee and join me for this video. Guess who's watching me? She's watching me while I work out. Hey puppy. Hey puppers. Now that I've showered and getting ready for work, I'm having my cold, basically my cold brew is a mix of, as well as my protein. And actually the two taste really, really good together. So here's what my office looks like. I'm logged in for work. I've got my laptop and my monitor, and then I've got my hemlock and oak out, as well as my archer and olive out. So I flip to the monthly section in my hemlock and oak and fill out the habit tracker, which I really like. And then I flip to Sunday and fill in my steps and my calories burned, which I get from my Fitbit. And then I go on to this week and actually fill in my sleep score. So I outline it first with the mild liner and then write in how many hours I got, as well as my sleep score. And then I go in and add in my to-do list. Now, because I started work early on Monday, I was able to log in and bring my laptop to the kitchen and complete some to-do lists while I was working. And then in my workout section, I highlighted what workout I did and start filling in my breakfast. There was a bit of a change in my meeting, so with my trusty whiteout, I went around and whited out some things and then added that extra meeting that came in here. Working under my desk is Lucy, just having a nap. Breakfast this morning is bagel with strawberry cream cheese, some raspberries, and an egg with an egg white. Simple, but this is actually one of the things that I love about working from home, is that I can just go upstairs to my kitchen, make breakfast, and then come sit down and eat. And I've already tracked it in my planner. After lunch, I take one of these cute stickers from the Coffee Monsters Co. and write down that we took Lucy for a walk and that I was able to order the groceries and meal plan. And now I'm just tracking in my lunch and my dinner. So now I go in with the floral sticker book and add in this quarter box to write down that I meal prepped. I need cooking stickers is what I need. And then I take one of these reading doodle boxes from the Coffee Monsters Co. and write down that I've been reading my book, Intuitive Eating. So this is what I have meal prepped. It's mushu pork stir fry with udon noodles, and that's what I'm having for lunch for the rest of the week. So towards the end of the day, I like to write in my journal. I first write one thing I'm grateful for in the monthly section, and then I do just a quick synopsis of what happened throughout the day or anything that stood out for me in terms of how I felt. Go outside, although it is raining. She doesn't like the rain. Good girl. So I just finished my lift lower body workout. I normally like to get my workout done first thing in the morning. It's just a great way for me to start my day. Yesterday was really early for me because I had a 7 a.m. start. Normally I don't start work until 10, so today I got to sleep in a little bit. And I say sleep in, but I still got up at 7. Now I'm going to show you guys how I make my baked oats. So I start with 30 grams of quick oats, then I add a scoop of protein, half a scoop of greens, and half a scoop of fiber. And then I add 1 banana. I had 2, so they were small bananas. And then I added 1/3 cup of egg whites and blitz it all together. And then I put it into a microwave oven safe dish with some cooking spray, and then add it all in. Looks so nice and green, yum. Then I add in some frozen raspberries. I love raspberries. And then to top it all off, I add some white chocolate chips, a tablespoon. Put it in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes, and it's beautiful. Time to go to work. Here's the kitchen. This is my long commute down to the office. So now I'm gonna fill in my planner, my tracker from yesterday. First, I did not get to my nighttime routine. I brushed my teeth, but I was too lazy to wash my face. I did get 12,000 steps, burned 2,000 calories, got 2 liters of water in, and read 10 pages, and then put it down with the wrong color. And then I tracked my sleep, this time with the gray mild liner. I did get more hours and got a higher score, and then highlighted the workout that I did, and then added the steps and calories that I burned on Monday, and then started tracking my food for today. And making another iced coffee for this afternoon, because it's so good. So after work, while I'm watching The Crown on Netflix, I paint my nails, and then I get comfy on the couch and start filling out my journal while I'm watching a movie with my husband. And then since I tried to multitask, I was also trying to read while I was watching a movie. And after that, it was off to bed. Getting ready to work out this morning. I am sore from the leg workout yesterday. Probably because I took a good week and a half, 2 weeks off of working out. That's a good thing, right? To be sore in the butt and I can't sit down. While I was making my eggs, we got a delivery for Lucy from the pet industry. Say hi. So you guys can see that I do quite a lot before I start filling in my planner. So I've gone in and filled in my habit tracker, and then go in and fill in my sleep score for the previous evening and highlight the workout that I did, then fill in the steps and calories burned from the day before. And then because my husband and I watched a movie, I find a really cute emoji, or a really cute heart actually, to write down that we watched Captain Corelli's Mandolin. It's an oldie, but a goodie. So Lucy's grooming was canceled, so I put down a rescheduled sticker from the Happy Planner, and then I take this unicorn dishwashing sticker from Pretty Cute Planner and put it in the morning to write down that I loaded and emptied the dishwasher. And then for Thursday, I take this Coffee Monster sticker to write down Lucy's appointment had been moved. Sorry about the weird angle here, but I take this pencil and then write "got it done" because I was so productive. And then I started tracking my breakfast and lunch. So this whole rescheduled part really drove me nuts. I found it crowded. I didn't like it, so I had to rip it up. And unfortunately, when I ripped it up, it took some of the paper with it. So I whited it out to try and fix it best I could, and then placed a flower on top from the Happy Planner. Going in for my COVID vaccine, my second vaccine. It is hot out today. Just came out from getting my second dose of the vaccine. Went by really quickly, actually, very efficient. Time to go home. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up my office for planning. So I'll take you through what my setup actually looks like. So let's bring you in closer. So this particular setup is really, I think it's 3 pieces of this thick white poster board. And then what I've done with one of the pieces of the poster board is I actually cut it in half, and then I cut windows in it, and then added tissue paper. Now mine is a little bit ripped, but then added some tissue paper on the side to create kind of its own filter. So then I taped the pieces together to create my own little light box. And my light box includes my ring light and then lamps on either side. And then down at the bottom, I was before just filming with the white background, but I've had comments before where it was really hard to see the Happy Planner paper with just the white background, so I added this. This is just a poster board. This is not an actual table I have, so this is just a poster board, and this is how I take all of my photos as well. And then with my photos, I actually go ahead and edit them using the app's Facetune, as well as, I can't remember the other one now. So I've just finished filming. I've put my office back to the way it was. I'm gonna go make dinner for my family, and then I will leave the editing for tomorrow. Editing is actually quite easy. It really is just amount of time that it takes to upload everything. Just organize the little bits of the clips, putting music, and then uploading it to YouTube. So it's the end of the night, and I'm just writing in what I ate for the day. Taco salad was delicious. And then at the end of the night, writing down that my husband and I watched the movie The Impossible, marking it with this cute emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And there's Lucy on the couch. And then I'm also filling in my journal for the night. So in that monthly spread, I write one thing I'm grateful for, and then I start writing in the day, just a little synopsis of what happens every day. I am tired this morning, and my arm is a little sore from the vaccine yesterday, but I will still go ahead and do my workout. This is why I need my Energize in the mornings. So every morning I'm basically going into my trackers, and I did read on the 6th. So what day is it today? Today is the 8th. I did read on the 6th, but I did not do any reading yesterday, and I wasn't great about any of my habits yesterday. So I went to bed late, so I didn't do my nighttime routine, but I did get more than 12,000 steps. I did not get my 2 liters of water. I did burn more than 2,000 calories. So yesterday was not a great day for habit. So then I update my sleep score, which I get from my Fitbit. I got, I believe, 6 hours and 11 minutes, lower score. And then I highlight the workout that I did this morning. Then moving to yesterday, I wrote down the amount of steps and calories burned for yesterday, as well as checking off what I did. Not too bad. And this is what it looks like when I'm trying to set up to take a picture for Instagram. I take all of my pictures actually through or using my iPad, but the whole process of trying to take a picture and seeing if it's going to work, whether I use a blanket, the lighting, etc., it's all a process. All right, say hi, Robin. We're just about to drop off Lucy at the groomer's. Say hi, Lucy. She has no idea what she's going in for. Lucy. So not even an hour and a half later, I got a call from PetSmart who said that Lucy was way too stressed out to even do her whole service. So I had to come pick her up. She didn't even get a bath or anything. I felt terrible. So I added this to-do script along with my to-do list, which I've already done, but I like to put in my planner anyway. And then on Friday, I used this disc and this dog pot to write down that I have a call with a dog trainer. And then I write in my meals for the rest of the day. And at the end of the stressful day, I always try and journal before I get into bed. It was a very stressful day. There was a lot going on in the planner community, which I won't get into. And after this, I actually didn't sleep well. Lucy got up in the middle of the night, and then I brought her down to my husband. And then at about 2 in the morning, I hear my husband yell Lucy because she had run out into the street. So a little bit of a stressful evening. That's part of life. So straight into the planner on Friday morning. It was an evening, I'll tell you that. I did not sleep well due to Lucy, but I did manage to get a few of my habits in yesterday. I did my nighttime routine. I got more than 12,000 steps. I burned more than 2,000 calories, and I did read 10 pages, but I need to work on the other two. And I filled in my steps and calories burned for yesterday and filled in my breakfast for today. And I missed recording this, but I did fill in my sleep score and highlighted the workout that I did. So if there's ever something that I need to put in the following week, I feel like I don't want to show you yet because then you'll see next week's spread. But if there's ever anything that I need to pre-plan for the week ahead, I actually take a sticky note or basically a sticky note or even a page tab and actually write all the information that I need to on it and then place it on the next page. And then once it's decorated, then I can actually write in the details. Just picked up this book from the library, and yes, I still get all of my books from the library. Who else here still goes to the library? Can't wait to read this. Just going in now to fill in my planner. So filling in the nighttime routine and the habits for yesterday, and then filling in my sleep score from yesterday. I didn't get a lot of sleep and my sleep score was lower. And then filling in the steps and calories for Friday. And watched My Father the Hero, one with Katherine Heigl. It was an old movie, but I loved it. And the plans changed on Saturday, so here I am whiting everything out, where I actually ended up picking up a library book, and I met my friend Noella for coffee, which was actually really fun. And then I take the sticker from the floral sticker book, and I'm going to do some research on a sticker shop. And then in the evening, we have to pick up Henry, I have to fold laundry, and then I have to also approve time cards for work. And then I put this sticky note sticker down from Coffee Monsters Co. with family time from L Plans, I believe it is. And we watched a whole bunch of movies. You could tell I couldn't figure out the placement of this for the life of me. And then I tracked my foods for the day. So just checking the habits for yesterday and filling in my sleep for last night and filling in the steps and calories from yesterday, along with the movie marathon we had last night, which was fantastic. And then filling in some things that we've already completed for the day, and then adding in that we're going to Wabamun Lake. Just kidding, Wabamun Lake was closed, so we ended up at Alberta Beach instead. Look at how beautiful it is. There's Lucy. So that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this glimpse into how I fill out my planners. I really like the way that this turned out. I'm really happy with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.